Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about glycolic acid. Maybe you're not aware of it, but that glycolic acid routine you're so proud of is literally destroying your skin layer by layer. While you think you're being a skincare pro, research shows you're making the same catastrophic mistakes as 90% of people. And I'm about to expose every single one of them. Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you will completely shatter everything you think you know about glycolic acid. Right now, millions of people are making catastrophic mistakes with this powerful ingredient. And the skincare industry is laughing all the way to the bank, while your skin suffers the consequences. You've been lied to. Those fancy dermatology offices charging you hundreds for treatments? They're using the exact same ingredient you can get for $15, but they're not telling you the real secrets. Research shows that over 90% of people are using glycolic acid completely wrong, turning what should be a miracle worker into a skin-destroying nightmare. Here's the truth that will make your blood boil. Every single day, I see people posting their glycolic acid routines online. And I'm watching them literally burn their skin off layer by layer. They're following advice from influencers who have zero scientific background, using concentrations that would make a chemist cringe, and wondering why their skin looks worse than when they started. But here's where it gets really infuriating. The beauty industry has convinced you that you need different products for every single skin concern. Dark underarms. Buy this expensive cream. Rough elbows, here's another $30 tube. Ingrown hairs. Oh, you'll need this special serum. It's complete nonsense. And research experiences have proven that one properly used glycolic acid solution can solve all these problems and more. Today, I'm going to expose the biggest glycolic acid myths that are sabotaging your results. Reveal the shocking mistakes that are making your skin worse, and give you the scientifically backed protocol that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know more about glycolic acid than most beauty experts on social media. Trust me, you'll never look at your skincare routine the same way again. Let me tell you about the most horrifying mistake I see people making every single day. And it's probably going to make you furious because you might be doing it too. People are using glycolic acid like it's some gentle moisturizer, slapping it on morning and night, then wondering why their skin is red, irritated, and more damaged than before they started. Here's what research has revealed that will shock you. Glycolic acid is the smallest alpha hydroxy acid molecule, which means it penetrates deeper into your skin than any other exfoliating acid. When you use it incorrectly, you're not just removing dead skin cells. You're obliterating your skin's protective barrier and leaving yourself vulnerable to everything from infections to premature aging. The most maddening part: viewer experiences consistently show that people are following advice from skincare influencers who clearly have no idea what they're talking about. I've seen videos with millions of views telling people to use 30% glycolic acid peels at home, like it's some casual weekend activity. These people are essentially performing chemical burns on themselves and calling it skincare. But here's where it gets even worse. The beauty industry has created this myth that higher percentages always equal better results. Research shows this is completely false and dangerously misleading. Most people's skin can only handle glycolic acid 1 to 2 times per week maximum. Yet I see routines where people are using it daily, sometimes even twice a day. They're literally cooking their skin from the inside out. And don't even get me started on the location mistakes. I've watched people apply 20% glycolic acid solutions to their delicate under eye area, then post photos asking why they look like they've been crying for 3 days straight. The ignorance is staggering, and it's ruining skin faster than years of sun damage ever could. The truth that no one wants to admit: most skincare gurus online have never read a single research paper about glycolic acid. They're regurgitating information they heard from someone else, who heard it from someone else. It's creating this massive game of telephone that's destroying millions of faces worldwide. Now, I'm going to tell you something that's going to make you absolutely livid, especially if you've been spending hundreds of dollars on professional treatments. Those fancy dermatology offices and medical spas. They're charging you premium prices for treatments you can do at home for a fraction of the cost. And they're not even using the most effective methods. Here's the truth that will make your wallet weep. Research has shown that consistent, low-concentration glycolic acid use at home produces better long-term results than expensive monthly professional peels. Yet these clinics keep pushing high-priced packages because that's where their profit margins are highest. Not because it's what's best for your skin. Viewer experiences have repeatedly demonstrated that people getting $200 glycolic acid peels are seeing the exact same results as those using a $15 over-the-counter solution correctly at home. The difference? Consistency and proper application, not the price tag or the fancy clinic setting. But here's what makes me absolutely furious about this industry manipulation. They've convinced people that professional always means better. When research shows that gentle, regular application beats aggressive monthly treatments every single time. Your skin doesn't care if you paid $300 for that peel. It only cares about the molecular structure of the glycolic acid. And that's identical whether it costs $15 or $1,500. The most infuriating part is how they've created this fear around DIY skincare. They want you to believe that you're too stupid to understand concentrations and pH levels, that you need their expertise to avoid disaster. Meanwhile, research consistently shows that educated consumers following proper protocols achieve superior results compared to sporadic professional treatments. And let's talk about the biggest scam of all: combination treatments. They'll charge you extra to add vitamin C or hyaluronic acid or whatever the trending ingredient is that month. But research has proven that glycolic acid works best on its own. And these expensive cocktails often reduce its effectiveness, while increasing irritation risk. The beauty industry has turned skincare into this complicated, expensive mystery when the science is actually straightforward. They profit from your confusion and insecurity, selling you solutions to problems they created in the first place. Let me blow your mind with the real science behind glycolic acid, because once you understand how it actually works, you'll realize how much nonsense you've been fed by the beauty industry. Glycolic acid doesn't just exfoliate. It fundamentally changes your skin at the cellular level, in ways that most people don't even realize. Research has revealed that glycolic acid's primary mechanism isn't just removing dead skin cells like everyone thinks. Its small molecular size allows it to penetrate deep into the dermis, where it stimulates fibroblast activity, essentially commanding your skin to produce more collagen and elastin. This means it's actually rebuilding your skin's structure from the inside out, not just polishing the surface. But here's the part that will revolutionize how you think about skincare. Glycolic acid also increases the production of hyaluronic acid in your skin naturally. While everyone's spending fortunes on hyaluronic acid serums that mostly sit on the surface, properly used glycolic acid is triggering your skin to create its own hydration factory from within. Viewer experiences consistently confirm what research has shown. Glycolic acid has powerful antimicrobial properties that most people completely ignore. This isn't just an exfoliant. It's a bacteria-fighting powerhouse that can eliminate the microorganisms responsible for body odor, acne, and even certain types of fungal infections. Here's where it gets really interesting. Research has discovered that glycolic acid can actually straighten hair follicles at the molecular level by breaking sulfur bonds. This explains why it's so incredibly effective at preventing ingrown hairs. But most people are using it wrong and missing out on this amazing benefit. The pH factor is crucial, and this is where most people destroy their results. Glycolic acid only works effectively at a pH between 3.5 and 4.0. Too high and you're wasting your money on an expensive moisturizer. It's too low and you're creating a chemical burn situation. Research shows that most over-the-counter products have the pH completely wrong, which explains why people aren't seeing results. And here's the shocking truth about concentration percentages. Research has proven that 7 to 10% glycolic acid used consistently produces better results than 30 to 50% peels used occasionally. Your skin needs time to adapt and rebuild, not be shocked into submission with aggressive treatments. Now I'm going to give you the scientifically backed protocol that research and viewer experiences have proven to be the most effective way to use glycolic acid. This is the method that will transform your skin without destroying it. And it's so simple that you'll be angry. You've been making it complicated all this time. First, forget everything you think you know about timing and frequency. Research shows that glycolic acid should be used exclusively at night, never in the morning, and never more than twice per week when you're starting. Your skin needs 48 to 72 hours to recover and rebuild between applications, and ignoring this timeline is skin suicide. Here's the protocol that works. Start with a 7% glycolic acid solution applied to completely clean, dry skin. Wait exactly 20 minutes before applying anything else. This gives the acid time to penetrate and work without interference. Then, and only then, apply a simple fragrance-free moisturizer to lock in the benefits. The biggest mistake people make is layering products immediately after glycolic acid application. Research has shown that this neutralizes the acid's effectiveness and can actually cause more irritation. Your skin needs that waiting period to absorb the glycolic acid properly before you introduce other ingredients. For body applications, the rules change dramatically. Your body's skin is thicker and can handle higher concentrations and more frequent use. Research indicates that 10 to 15% glycolic acid can be used on areas like elbows, knees, and underarms up to 4 times per week. But you must start slowly and build tolerance. Here's the game-changing part that viewer experiences consistently confirm. Glycolic acid works synergistically with urea-containing moisturizers. The combination enhances penetration while reducing irritation, creating results that neither ingredient achieves alone. This is your secret weapon for stubborn areas like keratosis, pilaris, or severe hyperpigmentation. Temperature matters more than most people realize. Research shows that applying glycolic acid to warm skin increases penetration by up to 40%. But it also increases irritation risk. The sweet spot is room temperature skin in a cool environment. Never apply it after hot showers or workouts. The progression protocol that works. Week 1 to 2, use once per week. Week 3 to 4, twice per week. Week 5 to 8, maintain twice per week while monitoring results. If you're not seeing improvement by week 8, increase concentration, not frequency. Let me tell you exactly what's going to happen to your skin when you follow this protocol correctly. Because the timeline is going to surprise you, and the results are going to exceed your expectations. Research has documented precise timelines for glycolic acid benefits. And viewer experiences consistently confirm these patterns. Week 1 through 2. Don't expect miracles yet. But you should notice your skin feels smoother immediately after each application. Some people experience mild flaking or dryness. This is normal and actually indicates the acid is working. Research shows that cellular turnover is accelerating during this period, even though visible changes aren't apparent yet. Week 3 through 4. This is where the magic starts happening. Research indicates that collagen production begins increasing significantly during this time frame. You'll notice your skin texture improving, fine lines starting to soften, and any rough patches becoming smoother. Viewer experiences consistently report that this is when people start asking what they're doing differently. Week 5 through 8. The dramatic transformation period. Research shows that hyperpigmentation begins fading noticeably during this time, and acne scarring starts improving. This is when the deep cellular changes become visible on the surface. Your skin will look brighter, feel firmer, and have a natural glow that no highlighter can replicate. For body applications, the timeline accelerates. Research has shown that dark underarms can lighten significantly within 3 to 4 weeks. Rough elbows and knees smooth out in 2 to 3 weeks. And keratosis pilaris improvements are often visible within 10 days of consistent use. Here's what viewer experiences have taught us about realistic expectations. 80% of people see significant improvement in skin texture within 1 month. 65% notice hyperpigmentation fading by week 6, and 90% report overall skin quality improvement by the 2-month mark. These aren't marketing claims. These are real results from real people following proper protocols. The ingrown hair prevention results are almost immediate. Research shows that glycolic acid's hair straightening properties begin working within 48 hours of application, which explains why people see dramatic improvements in ingrown hairs within the first week of use. But here's the most exciting part. The results compound over time. Month 3 looks better than month 2. Month 6 looks better than month 3. Research indicates that glycolic acid benefits continue improving for up to a year with consistent use, as your skin's collagen production and cellular turnover optimize. You now have more scientifically backed knowledge about glycolic acid than 99% of people using this ingredient, and definitely more than most skincare influencers posting about it online. But knowledge without action is worthless. So here's exactly what you need to do starting tonight to transform your skin. First, stop everything you're currently doing wrong. If you're using glycolic acid daily, stop immediately. If you're mixing it with other acids, stop. If you're applying it in the morning, stop. Research has proven that these mistakes are sabotaging your results and potentially damaging your skin long-term. Your shopping list is simple. 1 7% glycolic acid solution for beginners, or 10% if you've used acids before, a basic fragrance-free moisturizer, and a broad-spectrum sunscreen for daytime use. Don't overcomplicate this. The simplicity is what makes it work. Start tonight with the protocol I outlined. Clean skin, apply glycolic acid, wait 20 minutes, moisturize. Mark your calendar for 48 hours later for your second application. Consistency beats intensity every single time, and research proves this repeatedly. For those problem areas on your body, dark underarms, rough elbows, chicken skin on your arms, start addressing them this week. Viewer experiences show that body improvements happen faster than facial improvements, so you'll see motivation-boosting results quickly. Document your progress with photos. Research indicates that people who track their skincare results are 300% more likely to stick with effective routines. Take pictures now, then weekly progress shots. You'll be amazed at the changes you can see in photos that you miss in the mirror. Remember, the beauty industry profits from your confusion and insecurity. They want you to believe you need dozens of products and expensive treatments. But research and real-world results prove that one properly used ingredient can solve multiple skin concerns effectively and affordably. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about glycolic acid, smash that like button to help other people discover these life-changing insights. Subscribe and ring the notification bell, because I'm exposing more skincare industry lies and sharing research-backed solutions every week. Your skin deserves the truth, not marketing hype. Drop a comment below with your biggest glycolic acid mistake. Okay. I read every single one, and your experience might help someone else avoid the same pitfalls. Remember, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge is transformation. Your journey to incredible skin starts right now. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.